So, in 5 minutes, let's see how many hummingbirds come to this feeder. I hope it works. At dawn, on a quiet hill in Monte Alegre do Sul, the world wakes gently. The morning mist lifts from the old coffee fields, the first birds call through the trees, and the light reveals a landscape shaped by generations. Just 2.5 hours from Sao Paulo, this family run coffee plantation sits in a quiet corner of the countryside, close to the Atlantic forest and surrounded by peaceful rural landscapes. Getting here is easy, but leaving, that's the hard part. Everywhere you look, life surrounds you. Guans, toucans, parakeets, streaked flycatchers, swallows, woodpeckers, tanagers, even falcons cutting through the morning sky. And among them, the marmosets, curious little residents that always steal the show. For bird photographers, it's a dream. Birds perched in every corner. Life in all manner of colors and sizes. But the most captivating are the smallest residents. It's the hummingbirds that take your breath away. Dozens of species, shimmering in sunlight, fearless, approachable, and everywhere you turn. For photographers, this place is like a living studio. Perfect light, natural perches, and subjects that never disappoint. And then there's Zaga, the voice of this land, welcoming every visitor and every bird with the same calm and certainty. Passed on through generations, today him and his family run the place.
Aqui são 19 espécies de beija-flor. Até agora são 19 espécies, é bastante assim para o Brasil, para um lugar só. Só para você ter uma ideia, os Estados Unidos inteiro, se não me engano, são 15 espécies de beija-flor, 6 meses por ano só. Porque no inverno eles vão fugir. E só aqui são 19 espécies, claro que vão variando ao longo do ano. Tem algumas que aparecem só no verão, outras que aparecem só no inverno, né? Mas são 19 espécies registradas oficialmente.
Você tem algum favorito?
Tenho, por motivos óbvios, o estrelinha ametista é o meu favorito, que é o beija-flor dito pelos guias que vêm aqui, né? É o lugar mais fácil no Brasil de se fotografar esse beija-flor. É um beija-flor muito bonito, é o segundo menor beija-flor do Brasil, enfim. Ele é um dos favoritos, assim como saindo dos beija-flores e indo para as corujas, a suindara que mora lá naquela tulha, sim, fazendo jus ao nome inglês dela, de barn owl,
Barn
né?
owl. Quantas anos elas estão aqui?
Olha, desde que eu me conheço por gente, cara. Desde que eu me conheço por gente, essas corujas estão por aqui. Claro que não deve ser a mesma, né? Ok. Mas ou dentro da tulha, ou no pombal, que é a Torre de Pisa, que provavelmente você vai mostrar aí depois pro pessoal. Tem um pombal imitando a Torre de Pisa, não está caindo mesmo, essa coruja morava lá. Mas depois que eu coloquei a caixa ninho ali fora, ela cria sempre naquela caixa ninho e o casal está morando lá na tulha e é uma das minhas aves preferidas aqui na fazenda também.
Zaga has achieved something truly remarkable here. This is a place built for bird lovers and photographers. The feeders are positioned for perfect light, the birds are relaxed around people, and every corner offers a new composition. Whether you're chasing detail, behavior, or atmosphere, this is where practice meets inspiration. There is so much here to explore. Just behind the main building, forest trails lead you to a hidden waterfall. The coffee fields sit beside the chalets on a gentle hill, and beyond that, layer upon layer of rolling hills and the Atlantic forest. Many people visit for the day, but if you truly want to feel the magic of this place, a full weekend here is ideal. The rooms are simple and rustic and comfortable. Paired with homemade food, this place becomes a special window to look into nature. For the adventurers wanting to explore deeper, guided bird tours with Zaga reveal hidden trails and secret perches. His knowledge of local species and habitats makes every walk unforgettable. And yes, he speaks English, making it easy for international visitors to feel at home. He has visitors who come far from Poland, Germany, India, USA, other parts of South America, China, and many more. He embraces each one and proudly shares with them the rich biodiversity that the Atlantic forest holds. In a world that never stops, this place reminds you to slow down, to listen, to observe, to feel part of something bigger. Here, nature doesn't just let you watch, it invites you in. In a world of Airbnbs in exotic locations, tree houses, mountain tops, what sets this place apart is the total immersion. You feel like you're part of the environment and an observer, never an encroacher. Everything is built with the animals and nature in mind. All steps taken to leave as minimal a footprint as possible. If you're planning your next photography trip to Brazil, arrive in Sao Paulo, drive down and start here. At Pousada da Fazenda, the forest wakes early, and it's waiting for you.